To configure Zopa online banking, start by going to the Zopa website and clicking on the Login button. Then select Register and follow the prompts to create your account. You will need to provide some personal details such as your name, address, and date of birth, as well as create a username and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing identification documents such as a passport or driving license. This is a security measure to ensure that your account is secure and to prevent fraud. After your identity has been verified, you can set up your account details, including your bank account information and payment details. You will need to provide the account number and sort code of the bank account you want to link to your Zopa account. Next, you will need to set up your security questions and answers, which will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Choose questions and answers that are easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. You should also set up two-factor authentication, which will add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done by downloading the Zopa mobile app and following the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. Finally, you can start using your Zopa online banking account to manage your finances, including viewing your account balance, transferring money, and paying bills. You can also use the Zopa mobile app to access your account on the go. It is a good idea to regularly review your account settings and security details to ensure that they are up to date and secure. You should also keep your password and security questions confidential and not share them with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily configure your Zopa online banking account and start managing your finances online. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account details confidential to prevent fraud and unauthorized access.